Hello, welcome to English for Everyone, where we practice everyday American English. Let's get started. Today we're looking at how we can use got to plus a verb in two different ways. It has two different meanings, and we're learning how to avoid confusion with this. I can say, I got to leave work early. If you see the sentence, I got to leave work early, it can mean two different things. It has two different meanings. Let's take a closer look. In the present, you can say, I get to leave work early, and in the past, I got to leave work early. This expression means that you have a special opportunity or permission to leave work early. Example, we get to leave work early on Friday after the meeting. Every Friday after the meeting, we have special permission to leave work early, so we use get to. We get to leave work early on Friday. If I talk about the past, then I change it to got. We got to leave work early on Friday, or we got to leave work early last Friday. It's in the past. But you can also use got to express obligation. Complete, correct English is I have, contraction, I've got to leave work early. It means I have to. It's an obligation. But Americans don't say it correctly. They say, I got to. Or, pronunciation change, the T can change to a D and you hear I gotta. I gotta leave work early. This is an obligation. Example, I gotta leave work early today. I have an appointment at the dentist. So how do you know the difference? One small difference is the pronunciation. Usually when people want to express obligation, they pronounce it gotta. I gotta leave work early today. I have a dentist appointment. Or they'll pronounce with the V sound with a contraction. I've got to leave work early today. I have a dentist appointment. But the most common is I gotta leave work early today. But when you want to express special permission or opportunity, then we always pronounce it with a T sound. We don't say I gotta, we say I got to. I got to leave work early on Friday because we had a meeting. I got to leave work early yesterday because we had a meeting. And everybody left after the meeting, so I got to leave work early yesterday. Pronounce the T, got to. But the best way to tell the difference between these two expressions is you have to look at the whole conversation. You have to look at the context of what's happening in the conversation. You cannot just look at one sentence and understand the difference. So let's look at the whole conversation. I'm talking about yesterday. I went to work yesterday and we had a meeting, and after the meeting, I got to leave work early. You understand I'm talking about a special permission or opportunity because it's in the past. You understand in the present, I get to leave work early, and in the past, I got to leave work early. But if I say, I got to leave work early today, I have a dentist appointment in the afternoon, you understand from the whole conversation, I'm talking about the future. And I'm expressing obligation. I gotta go. I gotta leave early today. I have a dentist appointment after work. I have a dentist appointment this afternoon. So remember, got to plus a verb, got to plus an action has two different meanings. So be careful and look at the complete conversation, look at the context of the conversation to understand the difference. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to become a member, click the join button. We'll see you next time.